Hi everyone, welcome to InArt. So today we're going to start a series that's going to be a recurrent show in the channel. This is going to be interesting animals. Now in this first video, I'm going to talk about a penguin while we draw them. So not just a penguin. Here we're going to work with an emperor penguin. Now there are 18 species in total, but I chose this one because it's the one that pops on most people's minds when they think of a penguin. So, these beautiful creatures are birds, although they do not have wings. Instead, they got flippers. And while they cannot fly, they can swim very well. Actually, depending on the species, some of them can reach up to 15 miles per hour. Now, talking about the species, one of the simplest ways to differentiate them is by their color. Here, the emperor penguin has a black body with a white chest and belly, and some tints of yellow and orange. Now these colors help it camouflage in the water as it is searching for food. They eat small shrimp, fish, crabs, and squid. And their natural predators are leopard seals, whales, and sharks, which is why they do need that camo. Those are top dogs in the food chain. So, yeah. Now, penguins can be found in all the continents in the southern hemisphere. They live primarily on islands that are very remote, away from everybody else because, well, they are smart. They know that they cannot run, they waddle. So they go to places where there are no land predators. Now, in these remote places is where they form their colonies and their nests. Because penguins are birds, so they lay eggs. They have nests. Now, in case of the emperor penguins, they breed annually during the Antarctic winter, which is June through August. Now, during this mating season, penguins go back to the places where they were born. So that's why you have these huge amounts of birds in one single place. Now, once they lay the eggs, something curious happens with emperor penguins. The male is the one who stays and warms the eggs, while the female goes on the water and looks for food. Now she comes back in a few weeks, right about the time when the egg's about to hatch. Now during this whole time, the males, they just fast, they don't eat anything. Now once a baby penguin is born, it, depending on the species, takes up to around 5 to 8 years to fully mature. By the way, all of this information that I'm giving to you about penguins, I took it out of the website of the WWF and SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment. So go check them out if you're interested in learning more about penguins. But anyway, this was the first video on interesting animals, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, subscribe. You're really gonna help us grow this channel. I'm just starting, so let's see how this works. And also leave a comment if you like to see a specific type of animal or anything else that you would like to be interested on drawing. All right, see you in the next one.